welcome back to a new moving vlog. So I don't have my, well, I've got my camera on me, but I don't have the SD card, so I can't record on my camera. It's gonna have to be on my phone for now. But we have the biggest update ever and I am so happy. We have skirting boards. The skirting boards are on, they're glossed, and we have carpets. I can't cope. I'm in the wardrobe room right now and I'm gonna show you like a sneak peek of it. And yeah, and I'll show you the rest of the house. It looks insane and it's mad how much like carpets can change how a house looks. Honestly, if there's anything I love, it's new carpets. Like, it just smells like a carpet shop. Obviously we need to do like a little bit of touching up just on the walls, but even the skirting boards look really good as well. And then we went for these black plates in between because we just thought it's going to match the banister and then also like the light switches as well. This is what the bedroom looks like, and then this is what the spare room looks like. This is going to be our bed in our bedroom, and then we just need to get rid of this divan. How insane does this look? We've not changed the skirting boards in here. You can see like the difference between the ones in the spare room and the ones in the wardrobe room. We didn't actually buy enough to change them in here, so in the future we're going to do it just so it matches. And then also in the hallway as well. But how homely does it look now that we have carpets? And then this is what the living room looks like. It doesn't echo anymore, or not as much as it used to. We've still got loads of carpet left over, to be honest. Again, we need to do a few touching up little bits with the paint. I'm really excited, so we're going to put the bed up now and then we can see how it's all going to look. Hello, so there is a few updates on the house. By the way, mind the sound of my voice, I'm quite poorly. We've been living here for about 2 weeks now and there's been more things happen. So we've had our TV delivered. We get our broadband sorted tomorrow, I think it is. And then we went to sort the plumbing out in the kitchen, and whoever has done the kitchen previously, they put the worktop like on top of the carcass and then drilled a screw in it that way, and we couldn't see it, so we pulled the worktop off and then the cupboard collapsed as well because they didn't put that together, so we've had to buy a new one of those. Dan's going to fix the rest of the plumbing today, and then I'm going to build the carcass where the sink is basically going on top of it, and then we're going to put the worktop on as well. The tile has still not been yet. Need to kind of find out when it's coming. I feel like death. This is our TV. We've not put it up on the wall or anything yet, but it's a 65-inch Sky Glass TV, and we got a really good deal like to get it with our broadband and everything. But yeah, I'm going to build the carcass. Obviously whoever's done all the plumbing and everything previously hasn't done it very well at all. There's like random pipes that are just sticking out from the ground, so Dan's going to have a look at those and sort all that out whilst I build this carcass. Helps if you make sure the drill's on the right setting. Oh my god! No! Hello! Oh my god. I've just woken up, if you can't tell already. But basically we've had a palaver with the kitchen. Love that. It's really noisy because the kettle's on, but I don't even want to talk about it at this point. Like, look at the state of this. So basically Dan had something for the end of his drill where, because the holes aren't drilled in, do you know where the hinges go? So we've had to do that ourselves, and he had this thing where it's meant to like tell you when to stop so that you don't go through like that. Obviously didn't tell him, and we didn't realise, so we put the door on the actual cupboard. So I was going to order a new door and it was £30. I was like, right, okay, that's fine. And then they wanted £30 for delivery. So now I'm just like, do I stick it out with that door and put something over it, or do I just pay the £60? It's the £30 for delivery. It's actually more expensive than the door for the delivery. So for that reason I don't want to get it. Kitchen door outlet, if you're watching this, I need a new shaker style door, and I would be getting one if your delivery wasn't so. It's a door, why is your delivery so expensive? But on the bright side, we are getting the new boiler fitted today. I don't know if I've updated you on the boiler. It's literally like, I feel suicidal living here because of it. I know that sounds really dramatic, but it makes some awful noises. We've got the boiler on right now, but we can't usually leave it on. Like when we leave the house, we have to turn it off, and same when we sleep. So it's not even at the correct temperature basically, but all the pipes like shake and rattle, and they make this noise which literally sounds like a boiling kettle, and apparently it's called kettling. So we had a look online what it were, because obviously Dan, like, he works at Screwfix, so he knows some plumbers and some whoever deals with this, and they were saying that it is kettling, and that they said it's not dangerous. It's not what I read online. But basically it means there's a load of debris in your pipes and the boiler hasn't been serviced, so it, like, the hot water is trying to push all that debris out, but because it's stuck, your pipes could literally burst with hot water inside them, and it's best to keep the boiler off. So we've literally only had this on when we've needed a shower or a bath. That's the only time we've had the boiler on. We've not even had it on for the heating or anything. Just don't want to risk it, do you know what I mean? But yeah, today we finally get the boiler. I think we were going to paint this before it was fitted. Whatever, it's fine. I just feel like with the kitchen we're getting absolutely nowhere. So like you can see there's absolutely no like markings or anything for where you're meant to put the hinge holes. And then obviously you look at that there. Wow. I mean, it looks cute. Also had to put some plaster where the electrician had been because he made a mess. Yeah, another vlog and no kitchen. I'm really sorry. The only update we've really got on it, to be fair, is Dan's done the plumbing so we can put the washing machine in today, and like the dishwasher, but that is literally about it. I will show you when we have a boiler that doesn't sound like it's going to blow up. 7 hours later and we finally have a boiler. Come and look. Mind the walls still need painting. Are you excited?
I am.
I'm excited. And we have a new radiator. I'm going to do the grand tour. Oh, I've got my shoes on. I've not been
Jump
outside.
on the plastic.
I've not been outside yet, it's fine.
Oh, wrong one.
Wrong one.
That one.
We have a new radiator. This one's smaller than the last one. I just need to paint behind it, so it's a good job we have some paint left. And we have, over the obstacles, the mini hive.
Oh, you can see me in it. Ugh.
Shall I do a tour of upstairs?
If you want.
Just to finish the vlog off, seeing as though we still don't have a kitchen. We'll do a tour upstairs. Follow me. We have the black banister that I absolutely hated painting. We're getting a blind for here today. Here is the bedroom. We're going to disguise the mucky washing on the floor. We also have the TV. We just need to hide the ugly wire. I might paint it Egyptian cotton. No, I'm joking. Here we have the bathroom. IKEA, £6. A towel radiator that actually works.
Lots of cups.
Cups in the sink because we have no kitchen. This is the spare bedroom that we've not actually done anything to yet.
There's no light in
I
it.
took the light out. We need to buy a headboard, potentially a bedside table, and then that's it. And then we have the messiest room in the house, of course, which I've already done a separate video on this.
Have you shown the room?
The room?
The living room?
No. I don't know if I'm vibing with these curtains or not because they're really long.
I like them.
I don't know. We're going to get a sofa that's going to match. We're thinking like a cream sofa. And
Yeah,
like a
'cause
little
this
stand.
was my mum's.
Yeah, it's like really comfy and it reclines and everything, but it's not the vibe. And then we're going to get a little table for those things there. And then thinking of a coffee table. Going to put something behind the TV. We thought against the media wall just because we have a chimney breast there, and then when you walk in it's going to be like media wall, chimney breast, and they sort of look the same. And the room's more long and narrow than it is wide, so we thought against that, and we're going to put like some like panelling behind the TV. And yeah, we still have no kitchen and no doors.
We do have one door.
We have one door. I think I've shown it already, I don't know. Let's go. We have a bathroom door. Look at how nice the handle is, and it matches the light switches. Oh. Okay, house tour's over now. Unfinished house tour. I'm going to finish this vlog off here, just because I feel like there's a lot in this video already. Obviously we still need a kitchen. We're living in a house with no kitchen. We have to keep going up to Dan's mum and dad's to like do our washing and have our tea and everything. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here, and then hopefully in the next vlog we have a kitchen, or there has been progress, like the tile has come or something, because right now I'm sick of having no kitchen. As always, if you do like this video, make sure you smash the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you all in our next moving vlog.